Good morning and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a brand new series on the channel. Now, this is an unseen before, undone before in the trading space. I think no one has ever done something like this before, where pretty much this whole new series is going to be something very special. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start fresh on a $50,000 evaluation account. All right. So 50,000, a 50K fresh evaluation account, no trades, no nothing. Okay. Just bought it yesterday, brand new. All right. And I am going to take this from $0, zero trades, evaluation account, all the way to a payout. And from that payout, obviously keep going and eventually get a 25K month. You know what? I haven't decided yet if I want to do a 10K months or a 25K months on this series, but let's start for now with a 10K month, all right? But then if the series will do like really well and you guys want me to keep going, then I'm gonna take it from $10,000 a month to 25. And if you guys want to keep me if you guys want me to keep going, I'm gonna take it even further and further and further. Um, yeah, so pretty much welcome here to beautiful Brickell, Miami. And we are going to be trading a fresh 50K evaluation all the way to a $10,000 month. This is the reason my Discord is called 10K Club, because I pretty much want every single one of you guys to get their first $10,000 month from trading. Um, and yeah, so what do you think, guys? Pretty good looking view, pretty good looking apartment. I'm not gonna lie, I am in love with my new apartment. Um, but overall, yes. So right now, today, we are Tuesday, July 7th, 9 a.m. and 12 minutes. We are right here. Let me just minimize myself right over here, and then bang, trading view. And as you can see, I went with the Tradify Select Evaluation. That's like, I love these accounts. They're so good with the daily payouts. Obviously, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select, eventually when we pass the evaluation, we're gonna select the daily payouts option, where you can make pretty much $1,000 per day. Fresh 50K, nothing, no trade staking, no orders, no nothing. Fresh 50K. All right. And yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me from zero evaluation account all the way to a $10,000 month. Now, the way I go about trading these evals is I personally, because there's a 40% consistency rule on the evaluation account, which kind of sucks if I'm being honest, but I go about this by taking 3 trades. All right. So I'm planning on passing this in 3 trades. Obviously, I'm aiming for trades. I'm risking $500 per trade. Okay. And then in order to make $1,000 per trade. So I'm risking $500, 1 to 2 R, $1,000 per trade. Gonna do that 3 times, hopefully, and then get the evaluation passed. Obviously, evaluations, I tend to be a little bit more aggressive. We'll see what's going on right now and what I'm gonna how I'm gonna play this out, because usually like right now market conditions are not the greatest. Something about price action is a little iffy right now, so I don't want to be too aggressive. I want to wait for like normal, like proper setups and pass the account. um and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I wanted to say another thing. Okay, yeah. So pretty much, the trades, the videos. Okay, so it's gonna be like almost daily, pretty much almost daily episodes. And what's gonna happen is that some days I'm gonna do like a live trading session where I, film myself live trading, or I'm gonna like actually film the moment I take the trade. And my, like, obviously I'm gonna film my pre market analysis and my daily, like my daily bias and my drawn liquidity and stuff. But sometimes, and then I'm gonna like actually record the trade live. Okay, but sometimes I don't know, maybe I'm not home, maybe I'm trading for somewhere else. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a trade recap instead. On the days where I didn't live record the trade, I'm gonna do a live like a trade recap and explain everything and show you the trade that I took that day. And yeah, so if you guys want to follow along the journey, right, I'm gonna show you guys that it's possible and you guys can do it. And yeah, we're pretty much gonna go from a fresh $50,000 account all the way to $10,000 a month from payouts from trading only. All right, so let's get straight into the daily, like into the analysis. Right now it's 9:16 a.m. As you can see, I have marked out previous week high and previous week low. I don't think ES took it. So, oh, actually ES did take previous week high, which is very interesting. And we're kind of seeing a little bit of a pullback, like a rejection from there. So that's actually a pretty massive SMT, if I'm being honest. Wait, that's over here for NASDAQ. So I'm going to mark this as an SMT. We did sweep the sell side now, but it doesn't really seem to matter. We are trading inside this 4-hour. Previously, yeah, previous week low is marked. Yeah, so right now we are trading inside this bullish 4-hour, but it looks like after sweeping ES swept previous week high, did it inverse? It did inverse by a little bit, the 4-hour. Let's look at the daily chart. Okay, on ES we're looking like this. Nasdaq we're looking pretty bearish. We just inversed this daily for value up to the downside, had a little pullback, and now it looks like we're gonna have a continuation lower, potentially towards these monthly for value gaps and the previous week low. So that seems to be the draw, at least until we sweep previous week low. I think that's definitely the draw. So potential entries, we have this 4-hour for value gap right over here. We can wait for like a retracement, and then we have let's look at the overnight session. By the way, what did the overnight session do? All right, so ES swept London high, Nasdaq didn't. Asia high is way over here. I don't think it will get swept. It might, but who knows? It's not really sponsored, is it? No, it's not a sponsored high. So we might. Oh, and yes, it is kind of, but we'll see. And then the true day open. Let me mark that level right over here. It's a very important level. You know, not necessarily for trade entries and stuff. Just gotta be aware of what's going on. Yeah. All right. So, and the low, is it taken? No. Yeah. Okay. All right. So pretty choppy price action. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not loving it. Not loving it at all. We are rejecting this 1-hour over here. So honestly, we might not get a 4-hour pullback. Um, we might not get the pullback, if I'm being honest. Yeah, anyways, I'm pretty bearish, obviously, but I would need to see a retracement higher. And yeah, I would need to see like this, intermediate high get swept. Intermediate high. It's kind of iffing there. Yeah, so I would just need to see like us pull back, sweep some liquidity above midnight open or something. But we are 100 points below it. So just gotta be patient. As of right now, we have this sell side still intact. I would want to see us like not touch it and not sweep it before like before going higher. But yeah, we still have like 10 minutes to market open, so there's still plenty of time. But hopefully we'll just get a pullback higher, market open, potentially manipulate higher, and then we go lower. Let's see if we have like any 30 minutes. No, we don't have a 30-minute for value gap. Anything over here? Not really. So that's pretty good. But we might just like tap this 15-minute and then like fall from here, which I don't want to see us like I don't want to see that happening. ES does not even have like ES has a tiny 5-minute, but he inversed it. So let's see. Right now, I'm definitely leaning bearish, but I do need to see some more manipulation higher. So what I would love to see is something like this. So either sweeping here and then going lower, but that's like a little less probability, or something like this where we like, whoa, can you pick it? Thank you. And we go all the way over here to this hourly intermediate high, or potentially tap the 4 hour, but I think that's a lot to ask. You know what? And I'm even like, it's probably gonna run this sell side like before even retracing, because as you can see, like it tapped this 5-minute and it's kind of rejecting right now. So it looks like we might run this sell side without an entry, but we'll see. Maybe market open manipulates higher one more time, and then we get it. So let's wait for market open, and yeah, should be pretty good. Oh, my hair is a little messy, but that's fine. All right, so we're actually we might have this 30-second inversion over here. I might like take it. Let me see real quick if we're holding it or not. Okay, so we don't have a 1 minute, but we end up holding this 30 seconds. So what happened was market opened like 2 minutes ago and we just manipulated higher, right? Inside this 15-minute for value gap, tapping the midnight open as well. Um, and now we'll see if we get some manipulation lower. Sorry, like the distribution lower. Let me see real quick. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm all good, right? Oh, my microphone was so far away from me. Jesus. Yeah, all right. So I hope you guys heard me. If not, that would be kind of stupid for me, but it is what it is. Anyways, hopefully maybe we put in an SMT real quick and then we have some kind of inversion from here. I do want to start, I do want to like take a short potentially like right now. Um, like, yeah. Okay, we inverse. Oh, we didn't even inverse it. Damn, we didn't even inverse it. Damn. Don't tell me we're just gonna run. Hmm. Okay, I'm entering this shit. It's gonna be such a late entry, bro. I mean, I do want to take this. It's just like it's not. The entry is cooked pretty much. The entry is cooked. Holy bad entry, bro. Yeah, it's cooked. Like great start anyways. Great start to the eva. Like great start. Absolute great start. That was like so obvious, but why didn't it fucking like that was so obvious. I don't know. I just didn't take the trade. The entry was fucking terrible. Like there was no entry. But I still think we're gonna like go lower. Like, you know what I mean? That sucks. Like it's such an obvious manipulation and like distribution, but why did the entry fucking suck like this? I mean, obviously now I'm not gonna take a short. It's like stupid now, but yeah. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll be back when we potentially have like a continuation entry or something because yeah, this was fucking annoying. Like clear manipulation, and I should have taken it if I'm being honest. Like when we get this candle, like I should have taken this. You know what I mean? Especially on it's like an eval, but like I should have taken it, but it's fine. It is what it is. You know what? I do want to short this, but this is like obviously breaking the rules. Like this is not a good short, like at all, because we've already taken the objective. But I feel like we will go lower. Like my yeah, I'm very bearish right now. Um, so I do wanna like try and short it. The thing is that it's like we might get stopped out for in our retracement, you know? It's like very tempting, but it's not a good entry at this moment. It's a little scuffed, not gonna lie. Little scuffed. Let's see if we get some sort of retracement. All right. Anyways, I'll be back if there's gonna be anything else. All right, I am looking for an entry right over here. We retraced back into this 5 minute over here. As you can see, we even rebalanced like equilibrium of this range, right? We tapped the 50%. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see if we get the 30-second inversion. It's a little risky, like not the cleanest trades, but my draw is still lower. So, oh, watch this shit run. Lol. All right. Now, I don't like these type of inversions with this big ass wick. Okay, we didn't even inverse. Damn. All right. Wait a minute. What was that? Hold up. Wait a minute. We didn't even inverse. What the hell? It's very odd. So we might like go higher. He has tapped that 5 minute as well. Like manipulation. No, I'm taking this inversion, bro. But we're not getting the inversion, which is annoying, which doesn't make any sense to be honest. So it's kind of weird. So we're not gonna force anything, of course. If something comes, something comes. If nothing shows up, then we're not gonna take anything. But it's like, yeah, you see, like something about the market conditions right now are not good. You know what I mean? But overall, yeah, it looks like we're kind of rejecting the sell side. We did sweep this one. We tapped this 15 minute over here. That's a 30 minute as well. Do we have an hourly? No, but that's like kind of an intermediate low sweep. Yeah, so we are rejecting this 15 and 30 minute for value gap right now after sweeping this a 4 hour intermediate low. Okay, so we had this manipulation leg. Okay, we might get a better entry right now. Maybe on the 15 seconds. Okay, on the 15 seconds we did. But again, we're like not inversing the 30 seconds. But I will want to take this if we get the inversion. But this is weird. Like, of course, like this is an evaluation account, so you want to be a little bit more aggressive with your trades. You don't want to like, at least when you know what you're doing. When you're starting, of course, take your time, chill out, take good trades. But in the evaluation stage, like I want to pass it as fast as possible because technically on the evaluation stage, you're not making money, right? Okay, so we had another manipulation leg, but it looks like, oh, we did inverse the 5 minute, but we are rejecting this 15 minute and we are bearish in my eyes. Um, it's just I don't want to get caught up in chop, you know? But I do not like this price action like at all. Like I do not like this at all. But we are generating some low resistance liquidity over here. So this is pretty good for our uh take profit. But we can easily get chopped out here. Like even if we get the entry. Yeah, it's not looking good. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna come back whenever we get the entry, or if we don't get it all, then we're just not gonna take anything. But you know, yeah, I'm not taking this. It's not good enough. All right, guys. So I do not like anything. I am probably not gonna take any trades, so we're gonna call it a day. Let me just walk you through real quick why I'm not taking any trades. So we had the manipulation at 9:30 open, tapped into this 15 minute, tapped the midnight open. Should have shorted it. But as you can see, like this was the Fervati gap, like the 30-second inversion, and the inversion like was right over here. Was this wick so close to the draw? Like I didn't want to take it. It was just not looking too good. Like the inversion was just terrible. Potentially, I should have taken this 30 like seconds CISD. But again, market open, it just happens so fast. You gotta like make the decision instantly. And I wasn't fast enough to execute over here. So technically, like this was the short I should have been taken, the CISD entry, and then targeting a 122R around over here, and then smashing take profit in like, you know, 2 minutes after, 3 minutes after market open. And obviously right now we're still dumping. We are continually like, we're just dumping. Um, yeah, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get any entry because there's no 5 minute gap. Like we tapped here, but we inversed it, and then there was like this horrible choppy leg, and the inversion was all the way down here. And obviously, you can't like I don't want to take a trade with this huge stop loss. So like I just didn't take it. And yeah, we're just going down probably towards previous week low, but I mean, like, there's nothing for me to take here. Like, I know this is an eval account, but I still want to be smart about it because I want to show you guys that if you take smart trades, if you take good trades, you wait for your proper setup, even if it's eval, like, there's no need to rush it, you know? Nothing cleared, nothing clear. But we're definitely bearish. Like, honestly, if I was feeling a little bit more like gambling today, then I would have shorted this right now, probably for like a 1-to-1 or something. But I don't think personally it's worth it. Like I don't think it's we can go both. I mean, we're all like it's obvious we're gonna keep going lower. I just, even if you're right, and even if you got the right draw and the correct trade, you still like might get like a 1 minute candle pullback into your stop loss and then keep going lower. So it's like not worth the risk in my opinion. Um, but we'll definitely like keep going lower. As you can see, like it's going lower. And TP smashed in like a few seconds, almost. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Like I'm not liking anything over here. Obviously long and there you go, TP smashed. I'm not liking anything, honestly, like not even longs. Like potentially we have like this low over here, but again, like I don't know. I don't know. You know what? Actually, I might just wait for a 5 minute pullback. Like we wait for this 5 minute to open up and then pull back into it. And then from there we get a short. So let me just be patient and come back if there's anything. I'm just, I don't know. I feel like it's an eval. Like, just full port that shit. But I'm gonna take it more smart this time. All right, we just tapped this 5 minute, as you can see, and now we're ejecting from it. But like, no, not even a 15-second for value gap to take this. Like, not even a 15-second inversion. Now my only concern is that ES finally swept this sell side over here, which is this sell side. So we might get a rejection on ES now, which will take Nasdaq higher with him. Um, and there's just no clear entry, like no clear leg to take trades from. So staying patient, waiting for the trade. That is the name of the game. But honestly, bro, I just want to fucking short it. It's like kind of annoying conditions. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is very annoying, but it's fine. I'm not taking anything in this shit ass conditions. We are starting to generate some low resistance liquidity over here, but again, it's like fucking shit. I don't even know what to tell you guys. This is fucking terrible price action. I mean, the draw was so obvious, but every time we like about to get an entry, like the leg fucking sucks. There's no inversion to take. Like it's just terrible. So I'm really not keen on taking anything if I'm being honest. Like, yeah, this is good low resistance liquidity generated over here, but again, he has just swept the sell side. Yeah, I don't know, man. It just doesn't look very promising. And again, we want to pass the eval. We don't know. So a lot of you guys probably, wait, are we getting anything? Anyways, this is cooked. Like I'm not taking any trade in this. But the draw is super clear, super obvious, but I'm just not fucking taking trades in this kind of choppy ass price section. But it is an eval, so maybe fuck it. As you can see, it's like obvious. But what is this leg, bro? Like what is this price action? Like, you know what I mean? This is so terrible. Like look at the entry now. It's just so ass. So I'm not taking anything. Anyways, yeah, so it's fine. Whatever. Yalla. It's fine. All right. So let me pause the music real quick. And all right. So this was the first episode of $0 of, from broke to rich, from broke to $10,000 a month from trading, obviously. No trades taking for me today, but I hope you guys kind of get the concept that I'm trying to like the series. Like, I hope you guys will enjoy it and will learn from it. And you can join along the way. Obviously, open your own eval if you don't have any account right now. Just do it on your current evals. But just freaking okay. Stay focused. Stay locked in. Like today, we got the draw liquidity correct, but the entries in the price action were just not good. And we just do not take a trade. You understand? So we do not need to force any trades. We do not need to chase. We do not need to FOMO in a trade. Okay? Do not take stupid trades because the fact that you're taking stupid trades is what's making you not profitable. And in the end of the day, every day that you took a bad trade today, that delays you another day to your profitability, to you making a lot of money from trading. You understand? So at the end of the day, it's just about avoiding bad market conditions because most of you guys probably know how to trade properly. Most of you guys probably know what's a good trade, what's a bad trade, how a good setup looks, how a bad setup looks, key levels, where to take trades, where not to take trades. Most of you guys know this shit, but most of you guys still keep taking dumbass fucking trades. You understand? Most of you guys fucking just take stupid trades and keep delaying your own success time and time and time again. So, thank you for watching. This was the first episode. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna catch a banger. Not like today. I know it's only 10:06 a.m., but it doesn't fucking matter because I don't like to trade after 10 a.m. It's like price acting so slow. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope we can fucking smash TP on the eval tomorrow, and that is pretty much it. Pretty boring day, not gonna lie to you, but it is what it is. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.